You've undoubtedly been seeking for ways to make money online for a long time, and you finally discovered it. I'll simply show you how to copy and paste photos, and you may earn anywhere from $500 to $1,000 doing so. It won't require any work, and it will entirely passive. Don't be concerned, this service is available all around the world. Isn't it incredible that it's entirely free? Simply watch this video and follow my instructions to double or triple your money in a fraction of the time. But before we begin, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel as well. Hit that notification bell button so that you will get notified whenever a new money-making video from our channel comes out. Also, share this to your friends and family so that you and everyone else will know this great tip to earn money. If you have any questions, concerns, or opinions about the video, just leave a comment below. We love to hear from you. First and foremost, I'd like you to go to google.com and type in keyword cute animals. From there, I want you to click on this image, which will lead you to a page where you can see numerous images of all of these adorable animals and how we can use them to make a lot of money online utilizing a particular website and approach. Second, go to teespring.com. Which is a fully free platform that lets you employ artificial intelligence to create a variety of e-commerce products that you can subsequently sell online without having to speak to anyone. It's actually a lot easier and simpler than you might think. And when you upload all of your images and designs to teespring.com, all you have to do is copy and paste the photos. It will simply assist you in printing such designs onto various clothes, t-shirts, and other designs as shown here. On teespring.com, you may find a wide range of clothing styles. What do you think of this design? You may just upload and copy and paste some simple graphics, and they'll assist you in printing them on a variety of t-shirts right away. Click out this t-shirt for around $20. And don't forget that teespring.com has a ton of various designs from which you can sell almost anything by simply copying and pasting. As you can see, there are a variety of accessories to choose from, including backpacks, leggings, and even phone cases. Teespring would gladly pre-manufacture and generate all of the t-shirts and different designs for you, then assist you in delivering to 180 nations across the world, according to the concept behind this money-making technique. Not only that, but they can do it with same-day or two-day shipment, which means you can open your own online store in the teespring.com design store, which is quite cool. In general, that's how it works. To begin, simply use the Teespring launcher and click the stock designing button to build a product. I'll show you how to utilize your phone or computer to start making t-shirts by uploading, copying, and pasting different images in a matter of seconds. So stay engaged and don't let another opportunity pass you by. You may design and produce a wide range of goods on teespring.com. We'll move on to the next level, which is boosting your sales. Once you've accomplished that process, to increase sales, you can either exploit their existing network or integrate via a tool or a collaboration. It's actually fairly straightforward, and it's presently operational. As a result, Teespring will support you in the production, delivery, and fulfillment of all purchases. They'll even assist you with the customer service, and they have a capable staff to do so. All you have to do now is return to teespring.com's homepage and click on the Start Designing button at the top, which will take you to this page where you can join up for the world's most popular creator platform. Simply provide basic information such as your name or brand name. Email address, and password. And then click the Sign Up button. You'll be directed to this page after filling out your personal information and creating an account. where you'll see different categories of different trending products, as well as a variety of suggestions for what's hot and what's trending right now in other trending areas like digital apparel and accessories, which include joggers, face masks, and so on. If none of these categories appeal to you, simply scroll down to see the many different themes, items, and products you can create. There are a lot of them, as you can see. All you have to do now is press the start button, which will take you to the long sleeve shirt section. I'll show you how to get started with the best one, which is the classic in this video. We must now post a picture of our t-shirt. As you can see, there is a section in the middle where we must copy and paste an image onto the t-shirt as our own design. Now you'll go back to Google and look for attractive emojis, just as I showed you at the start of the video, and we'll pick one of these images. In this video, I'll use dogs as an example because there are a lot of dog lovers all over the world who would like to buy a t-shirt with a cute puppy on it. So, once we've found a dog image we like, we can save it to our PC, snap a screenshot, or save it to our phone. All we have to do now is click this button to upload a picture. Choose the images that will be selected, and the dog photo will appear. So once you've uploaded your image successfully, it will appear on the t-shirt as shown above. You may now drag and drop the photographs to whatever area you choose, as well as drag them to enlarge them. So for now, I'm making it slightly larger to suit the box in the center and placing it in the center at the bottom, where you may adjust it as needed. The next step is to pick a color for your product. For our t-shirt, we'll go with white. After that, scroll to the bottom of the website to choose a price for your product. By default, they'll propose $26.99 and you may profit $11 on every sale, and Teespring will market and sell the t-shirt for you every day. Teespring is amazing because of how quiet it is and how simple it is for a newcomer to use because it will help you market and sell your products. So if you're satisfied with your design, simply click the Proceed button at the bottom of the page and your t-shirt and design will be displayed prominently on teespring.com. I'd like you to go to facebook.com right now and search for the keyword dog lover. Once you're on Facebook, all you have to do is click on groups under the filter area by default to receive hundreds of sales. So I just click on groups, and then I want you to click on this button right here to join these public groups, which will help you filter all of the results for open to the public dog loving groups. Let's say I click on this group and it gets me to this page where I see a lot of dog lovers from all around the world. They're showcasing various images, graphics, and videos related to dogs. And if you can put up a basic design right here on the scoop, you'll be able to generate a lot of organic sales without having to talk to anyone. And it'll be very targeted traffic because everyone who joins this group is a dog lover. And publish a very basic post and share your t-shirt design right here inside the Facebook group. And voila, you'll be able to earn a lot. That's all for today. I hope you learned something from this video and that I was able to help you find a new way to earn money online. As always, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel as well. Ring the notification bell button so that you will get notified for our next videos. Stay tuned for our next video and I'll see you there.